Hello, happy Monday. It's a short week. I hope you're doing well and had a good weekend. I just wanted to give you a couple announcements for today. There's not a whole lot going on. So don't forget that we are off Wednesday through Friday this week, but it is incredibly important if you are not where we are on the pacing chart to make sure that you are schooling during the break. When we have no lessons on the pacing chart for that day, that's the time to get caught up because you're not getting more and more behind. So make sure that you've pulled up your pacing chart if you're kindergarten or first grade and you know where you are and where you should be. So if you are not ending on the 20th where these lessons are in these subjects, then make sure that you're doing those extra lessons during the break. Extra 5 days to work. And then let's see, Monday and Tuesday, don't forget that we are doing fun days. We started today. We'll have do the same thing tomorrow. So if you'd like to join us, you are welcome. While I'm thinking about it, the secret word is thankful. I am thankful for you guys and learning coaches and students. Please put that word in the survey. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. I will be putting in the book orders. So if you would like to buy before I do that, go ahead and click here, and then our class code is there. All right, so no live sessions Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We will do book club Monday and Tuesday. I think that's it on that. Our next outing is the art museum. The art museum. I will put the RSVP link in your email that I send out to remind you that this is ready. It is the art museum. There's one in Kansas City, Wichita, and Manhattan. Please RSVP if you're going to be there. Please arrive at 12. And there is a tour. It starts at 12:15. So be there at 12 and it's free. Yay. Meet at the door. All right. I think that's it. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a wonderful week. And remember, if you're not where we are on the pacing chart, work over the break. Thank you. Bye-bye.